How to download Google Keep Notes on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Google Keep Notes on your Android device. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and it's a simple process and just search in for Google Keep Notes just like this. So once inside here, just tap on install button over here. It will automatically download and install the Google Keep Notes application where you can insert a lot of notes inside your application. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it gets downloaded on your device and installed as well. So once it gets successfully installed, you can just tap on it and click on get started from over here and just click on continue. You can also allow your notes to send notifications, and as you can see at the top right, there is a profile icon where you can switch between your Google accounts just like that. And here you can do every stuff like creating a new level or creating a reminder, adding a notes by simply clicking on this over here where you get options like drawing, list, text, images. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.